There are times when it's necessary to disable certain features of our site for various reasons, but the most common is to save space to maintain the speed of the site. One of these features that constantly takes up more and more space is to receive comments on your products, posts, events and other types of posts, so you may want to disable this option and delete the existing comments to free up space and that others looking for this option in your posts do not see that you have suddenly disabled it. To do that, you would have to filter the comments or reviews to delete them all at once. But that's tricky with WordPress, since you can't delete all comments by post type at once, and if you try to delete some of them in bulk, you'll have server problems because WordPress will try to delete them all at once. If you want to avoid this tedious task, you can delete comments by post type using the Comments and Reviews spreadsheet plugin, which displays all comments and reviews in a spreadsheet, where you can edit the values as you do in Excel or Google Sheets. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. As you can see, the spreadsheet shows all types of comments, but you can filter them by post type. For this, let's open the search tool. Then you'll see that all the active post types in your WordPress site will appear in the post type field. So you need to choose one post type to filter all its comments. Now select the comment option here. And run the search to display all the comments from the post type selected. After you've filtered the comments, you can use the bulk edit tool to delete them at once. For this, select the rows to update, in this case will be all for my current search. Then, select the field status. Choose to set the value. And select delete completely. Finally, execute. Deleting comments by post type doesn't have to be a problem at all, as you can do it quickly using the Comments and Reviews spreadsheet plugin. The best thing about this plugin is that it's really simple to use and allows you to do advanced searches and apply massive changes in seconds without server errors. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.